Number one talaga is be patient and understanding. Also have the same level of respect.
Parang wag nyo nakatamaran yung tulungan yung grandparents nyo kasi in the long run, it's your way of giving back them to them and it's much more fulfilling.
Don't know what you're missing out on until they're gone.
Yung grandmother ko, we've always been living in close proximity with each other. Ever since I was in preschool, grade school, yung grandma ko yung laging nagbabantay sa akin. So kami yung laging magkasama kapag weekdays.
I actually think we're like more on like a best friend kind of relationship. Although there's still a certain respect, especially for Filipino culture na there's hierarchy and then respect for elderly, of course.
Currently, kasama ko sa bahay yung lola ko and I think almost 10 years na kaming everyday magkasama. Currently, since magkasama na kaming lola ko sa bahay everyday since nag-uwian ako. So, ang setup namin is umaga till 12 noon siguro or at least 2 p.m. Ganon. Nandun na yung paghugas ng plato, paglilinis, or pagwawalis, pagmamap if kailangan.
Since we live in close proximity to each other, kapag may kailangan siya sa house na hindi niya kaya gawin mag-isa, so in regards sa technology or may kailangan siya linisin sa bahay niya na like kunwari hindi niya abot, ako yung pinapapunta doon ng mom ko. Then recently, kapag kailangan siya samahan sa check-up, since yung lola ko hindi siya marunong mag-book ng Grab by herself, so kailangan ko siya samahan. I still think of it like as a positive experience. Parang hindi naman labag sa loob ko na tinutulungan ko yung lola ko kasi siya yung like nagpalaki sa akin and tumulong sa akin when I was younger.
Every morning, I try my best to wake up early if I have time. I'd always make a pot of coffee and some simple breakfast with rice and egg. I got used to it from my mom, that she does it for everyone, but now that my mom's also busy, I started doing it for her as well, for my lola. I help around with chores, sometimes with laundry, just basic chores just around the house. I wouldn't really call it a duty, I'd just call it like a bonding time with her. Sometimes I even find it relaxing, to slow down from break from work and school.
Depende kasi talaga siya kasi may mga grandparents na iba-iba kasi talaga ng needs yung mga grandparents. So I can't really say something for everyone. Pero yung naririnig ko kasi common na stories is like people regretting na hindi nila inalagaan yung grandparents nila while they were still alive after nila mamatay. So I feel like a piece of advice I would want to say is parang wag nyo nakatamaran yung tulungan yung grandparents nyo kasi in the long run, like eventually, may realize nyo din na it's your way of giving back them to them and it's much more fulfilling.
Be patient lang talaga. Like, be understanding since malaking-malaki yung age gap natin. Being upfront din if like may issues, maging clear din sa pagiging communicate. Family tayo, so kailangan natin maging open, also have the same level of respect with each other.
I think kids our age or generation, they'd often look over our grandparents, they'd forget about them. They should realize that they're missing out. They should be reminded that it doesn't really apply to everyone, but don't know what you're missing out on until they're gone.